Hi, I'm Dr. Marianne Cintron. Glad you're back with us. Today I'm going to teach how do you teach your student using a J or using the soft G or using DGE. First of all, I just want to point out that I have phonogram cards and the consonants are white. This is when I use my white card, is when the student is first learning the letters, and J is just a letter like all the other letters in the alphabet. But then I have J as a red card because now I'm going to be teaching J with J, 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 or J, 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 and J. So I'm going to teach these together, and I want to share my screen and share my mini lessons with you because, let me see. Oh, here it is. I want to share my mini lessons because I teach these together. When I first teach the E, I, and the Y makes the C soft. Here, I'll back up a little bit. The E, I, and the Y make the C soft. The E, I, and the Y make the G soft when they follow the G and the C. And the E, I, and the Y let the K say K. So the E, I, and the Y are very special. And that was a previous video. Now I'm going to show how J and DGE are different from GE, GI, GY. So we use J when it's followed by A, O, and U, which are the same letters that make the C and the G hard. So A, O, and U will make the J hard. Then DGE is used after a short vowel. So look down here at judge, dodge, budget, gadget. We need the D, and it serves as a protector of a short vowel. Because if we don't have a protector, judge would be juge, and dodge would be doge. Okay, so we just need to show that the D is used to protect the short vowel, and the J is used when it's followed by A, O, and U. So my key concept card for this is, look at this word judge. J is followed by a U, and it's also got the DGE in it. So some of the words I share are dog becomes dodge, rig becomes ridge, log becomes lodge, bag becomes badge. So I have these words, and you can find these in the mini lessons. And what I also want to show you is I have I'm going to stop my share now. I have this graphic organizer, and I used it for the E, I, and the Y that go with the C to make it soft. It goes with the S to make it soft, and it goes with the K to say K. Now I do the same, I have that same kind of graphic organizer for the J in the middle. So here, the J sound, and we indicate sound by putting the two slash marks around it. So we have what the student remembers. GE, GI, GY says J. And then we put J here when it's followed by A, O, or U, like joy. And then here we have DGE when it's protecting a short vowel. So that could be fudge or judge. So I hope this has helped you. Please like my channel and share this with another parent or teacher. And next I'm going to be sharing about the difference of C versus CK. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye now. Find us on our website, dyslexia-solutions.com. If what I have shared has inspired you and helped you, please consider donating to the nonprofit. Bye-bye now.